This was a project put together, a project sheet put together by Graphic 45. So we used their project sheet as a baseline, and we made some modifications to it. So in their project worksheet, they had left some of the cards without designer paper. So we went back and added those to our kit. And also in this package, you'll see the changes that we made. And we modified the project worksheet to include the changes that we made. That project worksheet, along with all of the components to make this kit, are available in our shop at www.scrapandcreate.com. A layered butterflies on the cover. Start. Page 2, or the inside cover. I just love the butterfly tab here. I think that is a beautiful way to use butterflies. Okay, you'll see here, so most of this is pretty common, but again, you'll see where we've added some paper where they had left it blank. And there's a photo mat card that goes in the pocket. All of this mini book is actually available on our website as well. This is a standard Graphic 45, or what you would call a staple, that we've added these papers to, sorry. Page 2, beautiful little butterfly on top of a chipboard with a nice, beautiful flat back stone to enhance the design. So again, these papers are available at our site. Beautiful place for a photo. And another tag. The kit also includes these, the ribbons that you see featured in the project. Okay, another piece of chipboard, flat back rhinestone. Those will also be included. Here is a chipboard tab here. Another popped up fussy cut butterfly. I just love this collection. It's probably one of my favorites. It is from last year, but I just really love the botanicals. Anything with the garden theme. Okay. And our next page, another fussy cut popped up butterfly. Although these are not cut out for you, we provide the sheet so you can cut out and choose the butterflies that you like best, or follow the instructions that we have. Okay, another photo mat. Chipboard piece, chipboard and fussy cut butterflies. More chipboard, fussy cut butterflies, chipboard. These are the ephemera, the cutout ephemera that comes in the pack. More cutout ephemera. As you can see, there are a ton of pages in this. So when you count the front to back all the way through it, it's 36 pages. So there's plenty of room for photographs. And that's not counting the space that you have to, if you want, add an additional photo card in each one of the 6 pocket pages. So each of the 6 pocket pages comes with a pocket on the front and back, which is sandwiched between 2 flat panels, and then you have an additional pocket here, side pocket, to put another photo mat. So this can hold a ton of photos. This was put together by Julie. Julie and a friend of hers had modified it to add these cutouts and some additional paper. I just love it, love it. But it does take a fair amount of paper because even though it's a small mini, like I said, there's 36 opportunities, not counting the pockets. So that is a ton of photos. Okay, another fussy cut butterfly. And here's the back. This is a beautiful, beautiful example of Graphic 45 paper and the fussy cut talents of my partner, Julie. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Thank you.